Hello student, welcome to our online classes. Hardware and Software, Class 3, Chapter 2. A computer system made of two-part hardware and software, just as listen to musical CD, a CD player and CD is required. The CD player and the CD are both hardware parts, the song a software. Hardware. These are computer hardware parts. The hardware refers to the part of computer that you can see and touch, such as monitor, keyboard, CPU, mouse. Hardware also include the all electrical and mechanical parts of computer. Look at this. Inside the CPU box contains the most important part, the CPU, which rightly regarded as the brain of computer. It is reliable to processing all the data fed in by user. The CPU has three parts. The CPU has three main parts, that is ALU, Arithmetical Logical Unit. It performs all mathematical calculations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. It also carry out logical operations. This is ALU. CPU, Control Unit. It controls the flow of information between ALU, memory and other parts of the computer. Look at this. Memory. The main memory of computer is also called its primary storage, and data or instructions that are to be processed by CPU must be placed the main memory of computer. RAM and ROM. Software. Software refers to the set of instructions for the program that tell the hardware what to do. There are two kinds of software. First, application software and second, system software. Application software, there are programs that help you perform specific tasks or applications on computer. For example, MS Word let you type, edit and format later notice. MS Paint let you create design and artwork. Other examples include MS Excel, PowerPoint and Front Page and CorelDRAW. System software. It is the set of programs that control the working a computer. Operating system software is a part of system software. It helps the computer to run and perform all its tasks. Look at this. All are software programs. Difference between hardware and software. Hardware. Hardware is that part of computer that you can touch, see. All the parts of computer are hardware. Software. Software is the name given to the program used on the computer. Software cannot touch. All the program of the computer are software. What make computer powerful? Computer is not an speed. Computer work very speed. It does calculation much faster than human. Accuracy. Computer give 100% accuracy. That means that it work very fast without making any mistake. Diligence. Computer as tireless machine. Unlike human being, it can work for long time at a stress without feeling tiredness. Memory. The best thing of computer at large memory where it can store high amount of information without forgetting. There are exercises, student. Please put on your note. What is hardware? Answer. Hardware refers to the part of computer that you can see and touch, such as monitor and CPU, keyboard and mouse. What is software? The program and other operating information used by computer called software, or the program that tell the hardware what to do. State the difference between hardware and software. Hardware is the part of computer that you can see, touch. All the parts of computer are hardware. Software is the name given to the program you use on the computer. Software cannot be touched. All the programs of computer are software. Name the main parts of CPU. The main parts of CPU are ALU, arithmetical logical unit, CU, control unit and memory. What function do ALU and the control unit perform? ALU perform mathematical calculation and logical operation. The control unit, the flow of information between a memory and other parts of computer. Look at this. Do it by yourself. Thanks for watching.